All right, guys, you're probably wondering, why is this 180SX back up again for giveaway? Well, that's because we've gone for the Battle Royale 1, 2, 50 times now with no luck due to COVID. So we thought the best thing we could do is throw it up again, but for 1 week only, to everyone in Australia to get around this amazing ultimate track 180SX Type X. So before you say, I've already seen that car before, you're an idiot. That's because you have. But while we've been sitting around, we've done some things to it. Starting with these actual epically wide Weds wheels, 10 on the front, 11 on the rear, and a actual pink steering wheel and brand new BC Racing suspension. Let's have a listen to that SR20 because she is one raspy girl. But before we do, interior. So we've got some genuine old school Sparco bucket seats, a sparkly purple cams approved cage, the Pank steering wheel I mentioned before, 5-speed converted to the turbo RB25 gearbox so you can crunch that bad boy. We've got an XCD clutch and the Gktech handbrake, fabulously fitted to clear everything in the dash, including the non-working head unit. Gang. Now for God's good bits. Oh. There's all that fruit I've been looking for. So we've got the S15 SR20 DET with a HyperTune manifold, TD06 20G turbo with a 45mm screamer, all sitting in there making 260 real kilowatt on E85. She packs a punch. And the chassis is actually a Type X genuine, so you know you're baller when you're out on track. So that's it. She's white, she's got a Saxy body kit, and she's ready to blaze. If you don't want to get an entry, don't care, because that's just more chances for those of you that want a perfectly set up drift car ready to blaze. So if that is you, make sure you head to keeperreet.com and get your entry in.